Life gets messy, but don't panic. Introducing the RYOBI 18V ONE+ HP Brushless Wet and Dry Hard Floor Cleaner. The premium black aesthetic with its self-standing design will complement any home. This game changer washes, vacuums and removes excess water all at the same time, which means no more pushing mess around with a dirty mop. It uses separate clean and dirty water tanks, so you're always cleaning your floors with fresh water. In one action, you can tackle wet and dry spills, dirt and debris, and leave behind a sparkling clean floor. And don't miss a spot with the wide dual brush rollers that clean right to the edge. Tackle stubborn messes without the elbow grease by activating the max mode for that extra boost of suction. The LED headlights ensure you don't miss any mess. The built-in squeegee and suction remove excess water to help floors dry. Perfect for making unexpected messes disappear. This cleaner uses the same battery as all of RYOBI's ONE+ products. And with the included 4-amp battery, you'll get up to 35 minutes of runtime. Emptying the dirty water tank is easy and so satisfying. When you're finished cleaning, return the unit to its storage stand. Then, at the touch of a button, the self-clean system gets you ready for next time. Keep all your hard floors looking like new with the RYOBI 18V ONE+ HP Brushless Wet and Dry Hard Floor Cleaner. Find yours in the cleaning aisle at your local Bunnings warehouse.
RYOBI, a cut above.